Welcome to the online English British Tutor Lesson 3, numbers 1 to 20. Learning objectives today are to count from 1 to 20, to identify the written form of numbers, to understand how to use numbers in sentences. So numbers, number bank: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Can you now repeat the numbers on your own? Application time. So on this task, what I would like you to do is try and see if you can match up the written form of numbers to the numeral. Task. Someone may ask you questions where they may require a number in the answer. See some examples of question and answers below. How many gold rings do you have? I have 4 gold rings. How many brothers do you have? I have 3 brothers. How many pairs of shoes do you have? I have 5 pairs of shoes. Can you think of your own questions and also write down the answer? Extension task. How old are you? Please leave comments below or visit my Facebook page by searching for Online English British Tutor. Please share with family and friends. Thank you for watching.